In this video, I want to talk about how you can multi-view on YouTube TV. Now keep in mind, on YouTube TV, you can only multi-view on some channels, and these are mostly sports channels or news channels. So just keep that in mind before you go and do this. So to do this, there are two different methods that you can try. The first one is mostly for sports and news content. Open up the YouTube TV, head over to Home or Live tab, look for rows that are called Watch in Multi-View. If you find these, just select them and you should be able to start watching in multi-view. Now the second one is you can try and watch supported live events. So some live events will have the multi-view option, so you just want to start watching live event, press down on your remote, or if you're on your PC or a phone, you just want to press so you open up the settings, like the pause and play settings. And from in there might be a multi-view menu. So these are the two ways that you can currently do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.